Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on this super smoky bronzy look with a pop of color on the lips. I'm super excited to bring you guys this tutorial today because I haven't filmed a look in so freaking long and it's really good to be back. If you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already and hit that bell button right next to it so you guys can get notified for whenever I upload. So yeah, if you guys want to know how to get this look, then keep on watching. I'm going to take my Juvia's Place Masquerade palette and I'm going to take this shade called Zulu, and that's which one's Zulu? This one. And I'm going to be putting that in my crease as a transition shade. Now I'm going to take the Saharan 2 palette from Juvia's Place. Juvia's Place honestly at this point should just give me a coupon code because I literally only use Juvia's Place palettes at this point. So yeah, Juvia's Place, if you're watching this, your girl wants a coupon code. But anyways, I'm gonna take the Saharan 2 palette from Juvia's Place and I'm gonna take this brown shade right here called Fez, and I'm gonna be putting that in my crease as well. Okay, now I'm gonna take a black eyeshadow mixed in with that brown, and I'm gonna deepen up the crease a bit. And then with a blending brush, I'm gonna take that brown shade again and just blend these edges. And I'm using this Morphe M433 brush to blend the edges. Okay, cool. Next thing we're gonna do, ladies and gents, I'm gonna take this NYX glitter primer. I'm gonna be applying gold eyeshadow onto like the inner part of my lids, and I don't want it to, you know, crease and like get into the creases and the matte shadows and stuff, so I want to prepare myself by applying some NYX glitter glue. Now I'm going to take that Masquerade palette again and I'm going to take the shade Dahlia and Casablanca. It's like a gold and then like a champagne-y color. I'm going to mix the two and put that right on the lid. I'm just going to take more of that Casablanca shade because I want it to be a bit more golden. And then just put that like right over top of all of this. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a blending brush and I'm just going to go in where the crease is and just blend the harsh edge. Because I don't want it to be like a super precise cut crease here. I just want it to look like really like subtle. Like, I don't know how to say it. I just want it to be like subtle. I don't know. Anyways, okay, so before I add any glitter onto this part, I'm gonna go ahead and smoke this lash line. Just as a base for my shadow, I'm gonna use this Jante Blue eyeliner pencil in the shade Charcoal. Like, it's the most non-pigmented thing ever, but like I like to use it as just a base first before I apply the black shadow. Cool. Just like a teeny bit of nothing. And then I'm gonna take a little detailing brush and I'm gonna pick up some brown just to kind of like make everything blend really well. I'm gonna take a black eyeshadow, and the black eyeshadow that I'm using is called Night Market from Suva Beauty, and I'm just gonna go ahead and pat that on and smoke it out. Now it's time for the glitter. Okay. The glitter that I'm going to use is from the Center Stage palette from Pinky Rose Cosmetics. And I'm going to take the shade called Infamy. If it would focus. And it's literally like a pressed glitter. It's a pressed glitter, which I love because it's like super like not messy. I'm just going to take my finger and press that over the gold only. You know, I kind of did a little bit more than I expected to do. So I'm just going to blend it out. And it's just like super easy to work with. And the lashes I'm going to be wearing today are my Shaniah lashes from bacckkk Cosmetics. I'll leave a link for you guys to check it out because I think they're still on sale for like $7. I'm not completely sure, but I'll still link it down below for you guys anyways. And you guys can use my code Makeupbyshaniah to save 10% off at checkout. I'm going to go pop these lashes on and I'll be right back. Okay, since the eyes are almost finished, it's time to move on to the face. So for primer today, I'm going to be using my oily skin primer from bacckkk Cosmetics. Today I really want to go for like a super full coverage Beats honey. Beats. I haven't like beat my face in a while or filmed it, so it feels good. And this primer is like honestly one of my favorites. It is so smoothing. Like I can't. It's so smoothing. My skin has been going through it lately. Like I've just been having so many breakouts, so many new dark marks, like so many new ones. Like my skin was doing so good for so long and then all of a sudden it wants to just take me out, honey. Okay, I'm gonna be mixing in my Becca Ultimate Coverage Foundation with my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in shade Deep Bronze. The mix of this is just like actually iconic. So I just do one pump of the Becca and then like a half little drop of the Maybelline one. But anyways, I haven't filmed a video in literally so long. Well, I tried to film like last week and like it just wasn't working out for me. It just really wasn't. I don't know. It was just so off, but I'm gonna try my hardest to like be more consistent and just be so back and just like focused, because I don't know. Me being like super inconsistent just makes me feel really bad and like so bad about myself and like my work and everything. So like I'm gonna try really hard to just push looks. Even if I don't film, I want to just push looks out. And also I just want to give my all to YouTube. I just really want to start doing like more content on YouTube and just filming more videos, because you know I like filming and I don't really like editing, but I like filming and like putting videos out for you guys. So yeah, I really want to be more consistent with my channel, because I didn't buy all this equipment for nothing. You know. Okay, now for concealer, I'm gonna go with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer. My dog bit the top. And my Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C13. And the combo is just like really iconic, because I don't like this concealer, the Makeup Revolution one, by itself for some reason. I feel like it's just not my tea. But I don't know, it's just not my tea. I haven't shaved my like mustache, so don't mind it. It's like a slight one, but like when I put any foundation or concealer on, You can see it. It's so ugly. It's very ugly. So anyways, before I, you know, blend all this out, I'm gonna apply my cream contour. And this is the Pure Cameo contour stick that I really love using. A lot of people don't like it. They say it's drying, but like mine is not dry. The concealer part is the dry part, but like the contour part is like not dry for me. I don't know. It's really weird, but I'm gonna put a little bit on the forehead and some on the chin because your girl has gained some weight, honey. We need to snatch that back. Okay. Really early in the day, so I'm gonna actually try to upload this video today. I like filming. I usually like filming late, like at night, because my house is really quiet and I just get really inspired at night for some reason. But there's like no one home today, so I get to film earlier. So I'm gonna upload earlier, which is good for me because then I can just film something else tomorrow. The sirens are going off, sorry. Yeah, but since I'm filming earlier in the day, I get to just film, edit, upload in the same day. Then tomorrow I'm just gonna do the same thing because it's just so much easier when you can edit on the same day that you film, because like then you don't have to do something the next day, you know what I mean? And right now I'm using the 3D HD blender from Sigma. This is honestly my new favorite beauty blender. Like, it's literally so good, and it gets in all like the corners because of how amazing and precise it is. I freaking love it. It's not my favorite for like blending out foundation because it's like takes forever to blend because it's so small, but and it doesn't have like the brown butt part. But for under eye concealer, it's actually heaven. I look a little crazy, girl. But we're gonna blend this all out. I'm gonna use this Real Techniques dual fiber contour brush to blend out my contour. And I just blend it, always blend it upwards. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Maybelline Fit Me powder to set under my eyes. And on the rest of my face, I'm gonna take my ColourPop No Filter powder. Because it's more of like a translucent type of situation. And I'm gonna take this Sigma Spotlight Duster brush and just take some of this powder and just dust it on my chin and like around my mouth area. Because this is super light powder, that's why I really like it. It's not super heavy. Just gonna run it under the eyes a bit. Okay, my camera decided to cut off, so now I'm just gonna finish the rest of my face. So I'm just baking under my contour, just, you know, to bake, you know, why not? I'm gonna go ahead and set my contour in place. And you guys already know I love using this eyeshadow from this Zulu palette from Juvia's Place. It's this shadow right here. It's literally so perfect. I love using it so much. And then I'm gonna take this Morphe M527 brush. Like, this is like my new favorite bronzer brush. Like, it's so fluffy and so huge. Like, I love it. I'm just gonna take a little bit of this. Not gonna go too crazy with the bronzer. I might, but who knows. And I'm also just putting it on the apples of my cheeks as well because I like that look. I take this Real Techniques blush brush. I'm gonna pick up some blush from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is the blush trio in the shade Berry Adore. And I'm just gonna swirl my brush in like literally all of the colors. And just put it on my cheeks. I really love blending the blush into my contour as well, because it just looks so much better when you do it that way. And now it's time for some highlighter. So I'm gonna be using the NYX Away We Glow highlighter mixed in with my Maybelline Master Chrome in the shade Molten Gold. And I'm gonna take my beauty blender and just press it into the skin so it doesn't look like it's laying on top of my cheeks. I can barely open my eyes. Okay, so back onto the eyes. I'm just gonna go ahead and smoke out my lower lash line like a lot. I wanted to do like a nude lip like always, but I'm kind of feeling like I need to do like a colorful lip, like maybe orange. Kind of feeling orange right now, so I don't know. I'm gonna take this soft matte lip cream from NYX in the shade Morocco, and I'm just gonna line my lips first because they're in need of a liner. And the liner that I'm using is NYX lip liner in the shade Espresso. Do I like this? I kind of do. I kind of like this. Just gonna pat some of it off. No, this is actually mad cute. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll be leaving all the products that I used in this video in the description bar down below for you guys to check out, along with some coupon codes for you guys to save some coins. You guys can follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter, all at Makeupbyshaniah, and I'll see you guys in the next video.